गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Great. So, how is you? How is everyone?
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, how are you?
Thank you. I'm fine.
Great, great. Wonderful. Or Rajesh. Oh, line drop. पुरुषोत्तम जी कैसे हैं? जेनिफर जी, how are you?
Thank you. अच्छा, very nice.
Great, great. Wonderful. Rajesh, you're back?
Not completely.
No, he's Twilight
Yes,
Zone.
in the process.
In
Yes.
the process. Okay. Right. So, did you read that little message from yesterday from my friend? देखा था आपने? देखा पुरुषोत्तम जी? Okay. How about you, Nilima ji? You saw?
Yesterday वो मेरा वो प्राइज का डे था and full night is busy with my all friends. I have received one good award from my Lions Club or District Lions Club.
अरे वाह.
And it's a special award for achievement of my thing, and it's the first time given for from the district to very few ladies. So
अच्छा.
at night I'm busy. I came in the morning because all my friends, we celebrated our Women's Day with cutting the cake and everything. So I
Wow.
stayed with there, my friends, and I came morning. Since morning, tomorrow when shoot is there, so I didn't have the time. I will just
Okay.
take it up.
No
sorry,
problem.
I just,
But congratulations. Good morning. Good evening.
Good evening. Good morning to
Yeah.
everyone.
Great, great. So congratulations for your award. Wonderful.
Congratulations, Nilima ji.
Thank you.
Lions Award for Seva.
Congratulations,
So I'm
Nilima.
getting lot. It's a thing for the beauty industry. I have served for the beauty industry, special
Okay.
category on that. So every
Okay,
time I'm
okay.
getting the award or whenever whatever the work I have done, so वो तो मिलते रहता है. But this is a
अच्छा.
specially award for the my beauty work in the industry.
Okay,
Contribution
okay.
to the industry.
Nice, nice, wonderful. Great, great, great. राजेश जी, hi, how are you? छज्जे पे हो क्या कहीं? In a terrace somewhere. Picture is frozen, sound is frozen, internet issue. हाँ, hard to know, your voice is breaking up. So थोड़ा internet issue लग रहा है. No problem. Okay, so since some of you have read it, some of you had not read it, I will just read out what I had posted. So this was oh, it's not there. So I've changed my phone, so it's on the old phone. So whoever has it, you can read it out. Okay.
Sthita Pragya Banke, that one.
Yeah, that one. So
So Sanjeev Shah has written this. Sanjeev ji has written, a college friend of mine posted the following in one of the groups, half jokingly. स्थित प्रज्ञा बन के पीने का मन में ये ख्याल रहे, जो पीता है वो तो शरीर है, मुझे इससे क्या लेना देना, मैं तो अजर अमर आत्मा हूँ.
so this is a group of my college
I
friends.
put this to my husband.
Yeah, it could make a lot of people very happy and give, yeah. So it's a, one from one. So anyway, so this was what he wrote, and he was only half joking, but there is some truth in what he's saying. So okay, so इसमें थोड़ी सी सच्चाई है. Some new people on the group, welcome. We have Ketki ji. Ketki, I think you have been here before. You're on mute.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Thank you, Guruji.
हाँ, आप थे ना, कभी आए थे इधर, ये ग्रुप में आए थे पहले?
नहीं, अभी ज्वाइन हुई हूँ मैं.
अच्छा, पहली बार आए हैं?
एक बार मैंने लिंक मिली थी तो मैं ज्वाइन हुई, लेकिन
अच्छा,
अभी ऐड हो रही हूँ ग्रुप में.
Okay. So you can introduce yourself again, just to remind.
मिसेस टेटी दुबे, बिलोंग टू महाराष्ट्र, संगम ने, लेकिन अभी मैं दिल्ली में हूँ.
अच्छा.
मेरे हस्बैंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लॉयर है और
अच्छा.
मैं घर की रानी हूँ.
आप घर की रानी है. Wonderful.
बस.
Wonderful. Great. तो सभी ने सुना ये जो, और सोनल जी, hi, you heard that message that I posted, right? So yeah, so इसमें कुछ सत्य है और कुछ अधूरा भी है. तो what are your thoughts on this? I mean, in a way it is very true. So we can say this about lot of things. जो भी काम, जो भी कर्म कार्य होता है, वो तो शरीर कर रहा है, और जाहिर है कि मैं तो शरीर नहीं हूं. जो मैं हूं वो ये अमर आत्मा है, अजर है. तो मुझे क्या लेना देना, अगर शरीर पी रहा है तो पीने दो. What is the, where is the, is this, what do you think about this approach, or where is it, falling short, or is it perfect? Is it complete? I mean, this we can apply to anything, right? किसी को अगर मारा या मार दिया, तो मैंने थोड़ी, ये तो शरीर ने किया, मैं तो अमर आत्मा हूँ। किसी को मार दिया, किसी को कुछ भी कह दिया, ये तो मेरे शरीर ने कहा, मेरी आवाज ने कहा, और मैं तो अमर हूँ, मैं तो ये नहीं हूँ, ये मेरा शरीर कर रहा है। तो इट इज, जो SSY में बात करते हैं, आई एम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग, उसका ये कंप्लीटली ऑपोजिट व्यू है। कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट, मतलब मैं तो, आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल, द बॉडी इज डूइंग वॉट एवर इट इज डूइंग, एंड आई एम नॉट द बॉडी, आई एम दिस awareness, I am awareness. Because the body comes and goes. Body is nothing but a bunch of sensations, and all thoughts, everything comes and goes, and I am not something that comes and goes. So I am not the body. तो क्या लगता है आपको, ये सही है, ये approach to life? Can we?
In which context we use it? It depends on.
Okay.
यदि मैं बचने के लिए कर रहा हूँ, जैसे किसी को मार दिया, और उसके बाद ये मैंने थोड़ी मारा,
शरीर ने मारा,
शरीर ने मारा, मतलब तो ये पासिंग द बक भी हो सकता है।
हाँ, in a way it is passing the buck, yeah.
But यदि सचमुच ही वो उसमें, मतलब मैं उस स्थिति में हूँ, कनेक्टेड हूँ अपने आप से, और यदि कुछ किया है, मतलब वो होने के बाद यदि मैं बोल रहा हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो सही नहीं है, लेकिन मैं उस स्थिति में हूँ और उस स्थिति में मैं जी रहा हूँ उसको, और उसके बाद बोल रहा हूँ, तो then it's okay.
अच्छा, ओके।
यदि मैं उस अवेयरनेस में हूँ कि मैं बॉडी नहीं हूँ, मैं सचमुच मतलब बॉडी के अलावा कुछ हूँ,
हाँ,
और ये बॉडी कर रही है, और उस अवेयरनेस से मैं कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद बोल रहा हूँ, तो then it is good. अदरवाइज मैंने सब कर दिया और करने के बाद बोल रहा हूँ कि ये मैंने नहीं किया, बॉडी
हाँ.
नहीं किया, then it is passing the buck. Then it is passing the buck.
Okay, okay, okay. What else? Okay.
और पहला थॉट मेरे दिमाग में आया, जो स्थितपद जो उसको पीने की जरूरत क्या पड़ी?
Okay, correct.
Also now, if he's saying, say, according to oneness, what you have taught us, there are 3 stages, right? So when he's saying, I'm not
Okay,
this,
hold that thought. We will come to that one. Hold that thought.
hold,
Yeah, hold.
okay.
Okay, then who else? Nilima ji, what do you think? This approach is okay? Or what is not okay about this approach? Or is this true or not? First of all, is this true?
ये हर एक का अपना अपना परसेप्शन होगा ना हर चीज के लिए।
Yeah.
बिकॉज अगर ये पीने का छोड़ेंगे तो हर पर्सपेक्शन को हमको अलग नजरिए से देखना पड़ेगा। सो इफ यू काउंट दिस, तो शरीर अगर करेगा तो देन हम आजादी दे रहे हैं ना, शरीर को कुछ भी करो।
हाँ.
So I think we have to think this point in a different way. I don't know how, but we have to think. This is only one example, but there are lots of things we have to do.
Yeah, everything.
That we are not doing all these things. This is the different person. We are oneness, you know. We are talking about the oneness.
Okay.
If इसको relate करना तो everything will change, you know.
Yeah, everything. I mean, we can apply this to everything. किसी ने किसी को मार दिया, किसी को गाली दिया, कुछ भी बोलेंगे कि शरीर ने किया, मैं तो अमर आत्मा हूँ। हाँ, केतकी जी।
लेकिन मैं ऐसा बोलूंगी, लेकिन उसकी दौर तो माइंड के हाथ में होगी मेरी उसकी दौर, तो आप सोच रहे हैं ना, ये उसकी डोर मेरे माइंड के हाथ में हो। मेरा माइंड ना सोचे तो मैं ना करूं।
हाँ, लेकिन मेरा माइंड भी तो मैं नहीं हूँ। माइंड क्या है? माइंड तो बुद्धि है।
सोच मतलब मेरी सोच उस समय जो होगी तो एक्शन वही बॉडी देगी।
हाँ।
मेरी सोच, माइंड का मतलब उस समय जो सोच आई,
हाँ,
आंखों को देखा, सोच ने समझा, तो उसी वैसा ही एक्शन मेरी बॉडी करेगी।
करेक्ट। ये
हर
सुप्रीम कोर्ट
मूर्ति
लॉयर
है।
को पूछना चाहिए, आपके हस्बैंड को पूछना चाहिए कि उनका क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट है इसके लिए या इसके खिलाफ. आई एम श्योर ही विल हैव एन इंटरेस्टिंग.
आई थिंक
हाँ.
सर बेसिकली हम मतलब ये बहुत कंफ्यूजन होता है. 2-3 दिन मैं भी उस पे पढ़ी हूँ कि अभी
हाँ.
ये हमारा मानव जन्म है, सो
हाँ.
यहाँ पे कुछ रूल्स और कायदे कानून है.
हाँ.
इसको भी हमको समझ के चलना पड़ेगा हर बात के लिए. अगर फिर नहीं तो फिर अगर हम हमेशा बोलेंगे तो हिंसा बढ़ेगी. लोग बोले अरे खून मैंने नहीं किया, वो तो होने वाला था. सो अगेन दैट निगेटिव माइंडसेट एंड पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट. तो इस कानून के, इस दुनिया के जो रूल्स है, मुझे लगता है जब हम धरती पर है तो हमें अपने यहाँ के रूल्स फॉलो करके ही जीना है. अंडरस्टैंड करना अलग बात है, समझना भी अलग बात है. वो समझो हमेशा टू बैलेंस योर थॉट्स. बट यहाँ के जो रूल्स है, जब धरती के जो रूल्स है, वो अगर मैं अब परसों ही मेरी फ्रेंड्स को बोल रही थी डिवाइन में हो, मेरा डिवाइन बोल, शी वांटेड टू डू द बिजनेस और कुछ तो भी हो रहा है एंड शी इज नॉट डूइंग प्रॉपरली, तो वो डिप्रेस हो गई. तो फिर उसको जो भी बोला कि तुझे ये करना है वो करना है, तो शी इज टेलिंग आई डोंट वांट टू डू बिकॉज आई एम डिवाइन विल हेल्प मी. So I told her कि how divine will help you? Divine will help to guide you कि ये करो या नहीं करो. Okay? Then after when you are in the human, तुम पृथ्वी पर हो हम, तो हमें इनके कायदे कानून पे ही चलना चाहिए. तो अगर इस पे नहीं करेंगे तो यू विल नॉट, तुम फिट नहीं होते और नहीं हो पाएगा. सो इसके लिए भी मुझे लगता है कि दारू पीना मना है, तो मैं पीना नहीं बोल रही. एनीथिंग जो निगेटिविटी होगी, बहुत सारी चीजें होगी, तो थोड़े से हमको इसीलिए मुझे लगता है ये सब दुनिया बनाई है तो रूल्स बनाए हैं, कुछ ना कुछ बनाया है. सो वी हैव टू थिंक दैट आल्सो. व्हाटएवर आई थिंक इन दैट वे.
Okay. 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 What else? Huh. What else? Who else wants to share? What is the perspective? What is the from an understanding of oneness, what is incomplete about this idea? What is incomplete about this idea that ये तो शरीर कर रहा है, मैं थोड़ी किया, मैं तो आत्मा हूं. ये
अल्टीमेट इसमें शरीर भी तो मैं ही हूँ.
एग्जैक्टली. हाँ, शरीर से ये जो नीलिमा जी, ये रूल्स वगैरह तो है, वो तो रूल तो बदलते रहते हैं. सो और एक दिन रूल ठीक है और रूल्स से भी जाएंगे तो यू आर अलाउड टू ड्रिंक. सो वेयर इज द प्रॉब्लम? There is only in Gujarat or 1 or 2 states in India, for example, you're not allowed to drink. But everywhere you're allowed to drink. So पीते जाओ, पीते जाओ, पीते जाओ, पीते जाओ. Rules के हिसाब से चल रहे हो. So not necessarily that is that consistent with our understanding? आवाज नहीं आ रही है. नहीं, अभी भी आवाज बंद है. नहीं, आवाज नहीं है. आई डोंट नो. सोनल जी बोल रही है कि कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन एंड पैराडॉक्स इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. ये मेरे ही शब्द मेरे पे फेंक रहे हैं, लेकिन फेंको, चलो. Contradiction and paradox is part of life. So what is the contradiction here? You explain. What
Sir,
is
you said we will discuss in open door, so I just mentioned it to you.
Acha, I thought you were saying in response to this what we are talking about.
No, this is also contradictory only, na?
तो बोलो ना, what is the contradiction and what is the paradox? And unravel it.
No, that you will do it.
नहीं, क्यों? I will do it.
I
don't have the monopoly on truth. Sorry.
I know the contradiction, and I've been continuously telling you कि lot of contradiction is going on. So now how that you will explain? Now you are Guruji.
ऐसा थोड़ी. Everyone is Guruji. Everyone is understanding. Everyone is one. Everyone is the same. So it can come from anywhere. It does not have to come from me.
Sir, according to me, everything is okay.
Okay. So drink.
दारू पिया तो क्या हुआ, उसने पिया ना, इट्स ओके।
ओके ठीक है,
लेकिन
बट
दारू पी
ये
के
नहीं पिया तो इट्स ओके, दैट्स अ सेपरेट थिंग, बट पिया ये सोचकर कि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूँ, मैं तो आत्मा हूँ, ये बात पे मसला ये है इस वक्त कि ये सही है क्या, ये सोच में क्या अधूरा है कि ये शरीर पी रहा है, मैं थोड़ी पी रहा हूँ, मैं तो आत्मा हूँ, तो ये सोचकर पीना।
वो अपने आत्मा को सुकून देने के लिए पी रहा है ना।
अच्छा, आत्मा को सुकून चाहिए क्या आजकल? अच्छा, आत्मा भी आजकल बिगड़ गई है लग रहा
शराब पी के सुकून मिलता है उसको,
है। आत्मा को
वैसे
भी
नहीं।
सुकून चाहिए।
शरीर
नहीं, so no, what you're saying is you're trying to console the person or that entity, and they are trying to keep the soul happy, is it, by drinking?
so whatever the sharir is doing
हाँ,
is related to atma only.
okay, ठीक है,
Okay,
okay,
it's not only daru but anything, like how she said ना, कोई murder कर लेगा या कुछ भी करेगा, so again that goes to the soul level only ना. Whatever
correct,
you are doing it at the level of your sharir level, but it is going to the atma only.
going to the Atma, okay, correct, yeah, you are in the right direction, Sonalji, very good.
Yeah.
Milind?
What my counter question will be that why anyone will like to have the drinks in the first place?
हाँ,
And if it's having, it's okay, fine,
yeah,
but there will be the consequence of it, and the person
एक
should be okay with the consequence. Consequence.
consequence,
There will be
hmm,
so the person and the society, whoever's around him, everything should be okay with it. Then there's no problem. Or he get isolated and drink and die one day. That
yeah,
doesn't matter. Or live on.
yeah, or live also, yeah,
So one is the consequences, and before the consequences, there's a question why.
correct,
If it's really something worth, then continue. If
okay,
not, what's the point?
right, ठीक है, okay, good. Who else? Who is on this Moto G Plus? कौन है?
Ask Avinash.
Avinash, चलो बताओ. What is your take on this?
Yeah, the statement that you sent, I just question that.
Yeah. You're on mute, I think.
Hello. Sorry, I think I was disconnected. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So as a human being, we have intellect. So use the intellect. Nothing wrong to be alcoholic or something. If she enjoys that, it's he or she will have the consequences of that. Okay. So yeah, nothing wrong with that. But as a human being, we have intellect. Use it.
Right. No, that's so to drink or not to drink, that's not the debate. We are not worrying about whether one should drink, one should not drink. The debate is to say that it is the body doing whatever it is doing, and I am not the body, and I am
that
this.
is wrong.
हाँ, वो उसमें क्या गड़बड़
That is
क्या
wrong.
है?
You cannot. No. You cannot separate out you and body.
No, the point is for me, Sanjay ji and everyone, if I am the spirit and I'm not body and I do all this or think to do or even executive, the problem what I understand is this, that it is not inclusiveness. I'm not including my body as me.
Yeah.
So there the whole game. I don't want to. I know scientifically that if I drink more than some amount of quantity or this thing, it's not good for my health. So I'm not taking care. I'm responsible for my body also. So what? There's inclusiveness of body. There is inclusiveness for other person. There is no society. There is no illusion of anything. And what is the concern?
Yeah, see, the excess alcohol and all that also is not our concern.
Yeah.
Whether to drink alcohol or not is not a concern. Whether too much is too bad and whether it is good or bad or okay or not okay, that is not the question. Even if I take one sip, I'm going to take only one sip of alcohol. But my thought is, अरे it's the body doing it. मुझे क्या लेना देना? मैं तो अमर आत्मा हूँ. ये एक सिप में भी गड़बड़ है. क्या गड़बड़ है? एक सिप लिया तो भी ये थॉट, ये सोच के साथ, ये समझ के साथ कि मैं तो अमर आत्मा हूं, ये तो मेरा शरीर कर रहा है, उससे मेरा कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. सो वे इज दैट अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट कि ये मुझे मेरे शरीर के साथ कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, ये सही है या नहीं है?
नहीं, सही नहीं है.
Yeah, I don't think that is a correct statement, because those who are drinking, they are well known that it is going to impact their health.
No, forget that. No,
हाँ.
don't confuse with impact on health. I'm saying one sip. There is no impact on health. One sip में क्या हो जाने वाला है? There is no impact on health. Your body will clear out the toxin in a very short time. So that's not the concern. But you are right when you say कि ये सोच में कुछ गड़बड़ है कि the body is doing and I'm not the body.
Yeah,
So-
that you cannot separate out. Never. That is not possible.
But हम
Never.
कहते हैं ना कि ये मैं शरीर नहीं हूँ, कि जो मैं हूँ वो तो अमर है और ये
मैं यदि
शरीर तो
आत्मा-
नश्वर है. ये शरीर तो
आत्मा-
आज है कल नहीं है.
No,
लेकिन
see,
मैं हूँ.
मैं
then,
यदि आत्मा
No,
सचमुच आत्मा हूँ, तो
हाँ.
मैं मेरे काम किए हुए उसके लिए भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल, और हर कुछ जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, क्योंकि मैं एक हूँ सारी
हाँ.
दुनिया में, मैं सबसे कनेक्टेड हूँ.
नहीं,
मैं पार्ट ऑफ द वन, मतलब पूरे जो दुनिया है, हर चीज का पार्ट मैं हूँ. तो इस दुनिया में जो भी हो रहा है उसके लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ. तो मैं शराब पी रहा हूँ, उसके लिए भी तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल मैं हूँ. मैं कैसे बोल सकता हूँ कि शरीर ने किया?
Okay,
No,
मैं
correct.
जवाबदार हूँ. Okay, but how do we know this at an experience or as a understanding? You know, आपने
सर
हाँ सोनल जी बोलो.
दुनिया में जो कुछ भी हो रहा है उसके लिए मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबल हूँ. लास्ट टाइम आपने बोला जो पोजीशन पे आप हो उसी के लिए खाली आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो, हर चीज के लिए नहीं. दैट वाज अ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन, राइट?
जो
You only told that way.
that is what you understood. We cannot say that is what I said, but this is what you understood, that I can understand. But that is not what I said.
Depends on what position you are in. That's
So what is
you
your position? Who are you?
I asked this question for which you replied back to me, contradiction and paradox. This was the question.
Okay. चलो tangent पे नहीं जाते हैं. अब ये जो
I'm just quoting what you said.
Yeah, but we have to quote it in the context of this conversation that is going on. So the conversation that is going on is, मैं शरीर नहीं हूँ, ये सच है या नहीं सच है? तो हम बोलेंगे कि मैं शरीर हूँ.
Yeah, nahi sach hai, because the position of mind, the position of Atma, you cannot define. Yeah, someone cannot define the position of Atma, Paramatma, and where is my mind and where is my subconscious mind. It's everywhere. The substance that you are made up of is Atma. So there is nothing like you cannot separate out body.
मैं शरीर नहीं हूँ बोलने की वजह, मैं शरीर भी हूँ.
मैं शरीर भी हूँ, मैं आत्मा हूँ लेकिन मैं शरीर भी हूँ. That is the understanding. क्योंकि when we look closely at the body, okay, कि ये शरीर किससे बना हुआ है? तो शरीर is made up of thoughts, made up of sensations, made up of experiences, made up of this. And what is that experience made of? जो भी हमें पता कैसे है कि हमारा शरीर है? कुछ ना कुछ अनुभूति होती है. There's let's say some sensation at the bottom of my feet or in my hands, there is some sensation. If I close my eyes, I can feel something. That is how I know about the existence of the body. I can see the body. I can feel the body. I can hear the sounds coming from the body. So I know, जो मैं जानता हूं शरीर के बारे में एक्सपीरियंस के तौर पर या अनुभव के तौर पर, अगर मुझे कुछ कहना है सत्य के बारे में, तो मैं सिर्फ अनुभव पे आधार पे बोल सकता हूं। और अनुभव ये है कि कुछ ना कुछ मुझे अनुभूतियां हो रही है शरीर के बारे में, जिसके कारण मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये शरीर का अस्तित्व है। और ये जो अनुभव हो रहे हैं, अगर मैं और आगे उसमें डीपर जाऊं कि ये अनुभव जो हो रहे हैं वो किससे बने हुए, उसकी बनावट क्या है, तो उसकी बनावट ये है कि मैं जानता हूं कि ये मुझे अनुभव हो रहे हैं। मैं अगर जानता ही नहीं कि मुझे ये अनुभव हो रहे हैं, तो ये अनुभव का अस्तित्व ही नहीं है। So the sensations are dependent on my knowing the sensations, and my knowing of the sensation is dependent or made of this essence that I am. तो ये जो कह रहे हैं कि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूं, ये एक स्टेप पे सच है। जब नेति नेति प्रोसेस स्टेप 1 में हम बोलते हैं, which is what Jennifer ji was starting to say earlier, and I stopped her because we want to understand this deeply and get it as our own understanding, not something that I am saying. So when in the first step we notice that this body comes and goes, but I don't come and go. So I am not the body at this one stage, at one state of truth, one level of truth. It is true, but it is only at the first stage. At a relative level, it is true. I am not the body. I'm not my thoughts. I'm not my mind. I'm not my sensations. I'm not my eyes. So that is only the first stage. And so when I drop the body and I drop everything that I can drop, I come to this, what I really am, which is my awareness, which is awareness, consciousness, अजर अमर आत्मा जो बोल रहे हैं मेरे दोस्त। तो मैं वो हूं, मेरी असलियत वो है। So it is true, but only in that first step. And the truth of it is accepted and understood and acknowledged and okay, it is true. I am not the body. Ultimately, I am not the body. But then in the second stage, we see the qualities of who I am, which is openness, acceptance, loving, caring. Okay. So this Asim, Amar, Ajar, ye meri qualities hai. That is second step. Now, third step, we go back into the world. We go back into looking at what I said I am not. I want to see what it is. Okay, I said I'm not this, but now I want to know what it is then. So this body, I said I'm not this body, but what is it actually? I said I'm not my thought, but what is this thought made of? Thought is made up of nothing but my knowing of the thought. मैं जब मेरे विचार को जानता हूं, तभी ये विचार का अस्तित्व बनता है। मेरे जानने के बिना ये विचार का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है। मेरे जानने से ये विचार है, उसका अस्तित्व निर्भर है मेरे जानने के ऊपर। तो उसकी बनावट, उसका मूल तत्व, उसका मैटर is my knowing this thought. Same thing with the body. If I did not know of the existence of this body has no meaning. So body is made up of the knowing of the body, and that knowing of the body is made up of awareness, which is Amar, Ajar, Atma की जो बात कर रहे हैं। तो शरीर भी बना हुआ है, उसकी बनावट क्या है, उसकी असलियत क्या है, उसका मूल स्वरूप क्या है। In fact, not just the body, but the whole world is one, is only made up of I. And the easiest way to understanding is think of a dream. If आप एक सपना देख रहे हैं जिसमें आप, मान लो यही एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, तो कोई सपने में शराब पी रहा है और वो बोल रहा है कि मैं तो ये शरीर नहीं हूं. वो सच है, क्योंकि वो what is the शरीर मेड ऑफ इन दैट ड्रीम. वो सच बोल रहा है कि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूं. जो कैरेक्टर ड्रीम कर रहा है, मान लो अपन केस्टो मुखर्जी का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. केस्टो मुखर्जी सो रहा है, ड्रीम कर रहा है कि वो पी रहा है. वो तो मूवी में भी पीता है, लेकिन ड्रीम में भी उसको वही सपना आता होगा कि वो पी रहा है. तो वो जो सपने वाला केस्टो मुखर्जी है, सपने में बोल रहा है कि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूं. वो सच है, क्योंकि कौन है वो जो, actually we need two names, not the same person, but let's say I am dreaming, I am Kesto Mukherjee having a drink. Okay, so there is Sanjeev lying in bed dreaming that he is Kesto Mukherjee drinking, and Kesto Mukherjee in the dream says, उसके दोस्त को कहता है वो, अरे मैं तो पी रहा हूं क्योंकि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूं, मेरी असलियत कुछ और है. तो वो सच बोल रहा है. उसकी असलियत क्या है? उसकी असलियत है संजीव. उसकी असलियत है संजीव. तो वो सच कह रहा है कि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूं, ये तो मेरा शरीर पी रहा है, उसमें मुझे क्या लेना देना. लेकिन आगे एक दूसरा क्वेश्चन आता है जो हम केस्टो मुखर्जी को पूछेंगे कि तुम ये शरीर नहीं हो, लेकिन ये तुम्हारा जो शरीर है उसकी बनावट क्या है? वो किससे बना हुआ है? तो वो सपने वाला जो केस्टो है, उसकी बनावट ही, जो सपना देख रहा है उसी ने सर्जाया है पूरा, उसी का सर्जन है. तो उसका वो केस्टो जो शरीर है वो भी संजीवी है. जो 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 वो पी रहा है, वो सब सपने में जो भी हो रहा है वो सब संजीव के मन में हो रहा है. तो वो सारा जो सपना है, इंक्लूडिंग द बॉडी, इंक्लूडिंग द ड्रिंक, इंक्लूडिंग द एक्शन ऑफ ड्रीमिंग, उस सब की बनावट है द माइंड ऑफ द वन हु इज ड्रीमिंग. The mind of the dreamer is the material of everything, including the body. So it is true that the body is doing something, and the truth about Kesto is not Kesto. The truth about Kesto is the dreamer. But the truth about the body is also the dreamer. So उसी प्रकार से ये जो बंदा कह रहा है कि मैं ये शरीर नहीं हूं अपनी लाइफ में, तो ये सच है एक लेवल पे. लेकिन दूसरे लेवल पे वो अमर आत्मा से ही बना हुआ है ये शरीर. ये जो सपना, ये जीवन का सपना जो देख रहा है, उसी ने बनाया है ये शरीर और उसी का बना हुआ है. देयर इज ओनली वन. सो टू से दैट मुझे ये शरीर से क्या लेना देना is only half truth. The full truth is the शरीर से पूरा लेना देना है. वो शरीर बना हुआ ही आत्मा से है. उसका मूल तत्व, उसकी बनावट ही आत्मा है. So I am the body in the third stage. I am not the body is only halfway. When you complete the journey, you come back and find that I am the body. Not only I am the body, on that return journey, you find not only I am the body, I am everything. I am you. I am this computer. I am this water bottle. I am that. Because everything in my dream is only made of me. When Vishnu is dreaming this world up, the awareness, consciousness is dreaming up this world, everything in the dream is only made up of Vishnu, the dreamer. Everything in the dream is made up only of you. As soon as you open your eyes, you realize there was nothing actually in the dream. It was only I. And similarly, this world, whatever we are experiencing, everything is only made up of I. So to say that मुझे ये शरीर से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है is only half a truth. And when you realize that the sharir is also मैं ही हूं, then there is infinite love for the body also, because everything is I, and there is infinite love for the body. And given this infinite love for the body, chances that you will drink too much is less, because you love your body, you love yourself, because it is all made of me. So why would I damage and destroy my own creation? जब मैंने ही सर्जाया है, मैंने ही बनाया है, मैं इसको क्यों नुकसान पहुंचाऊंगा? No कारीगर, no artist will want to destroy their own work, because it is, you own it. So that is a consequence of this understanding. And you may still say, okay, I can have a sip of, whatever wine, it's not going to damage my body, maybe. And that's entirely up to you, whether you drink 1 drink, 2 drinks, 3 drinks, or 10 drinks. I'm not at all concerned about that. Only point I am making is, we cannot say that I am not the body, I am not doing these actions, and therefore मुझे इससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, वो चाहे उतना पी ले. That is where and so all action, whether it is something, whether I hit somebody or I hurt somebody or any of that, is automatically not going to happen when I have this understanding that this body is also I. This body is also me. Me meaning the me, not this limited me, but that I, this that I am. And not only I, but everything else is made of that. So I treat it with full respect, fully with love, no matter what shape or form it is in, because it is in my dream. It is my creation, and I love it infinitely. So that is what the nature of contradiction is, Sonalji. In the first step, at a relative truth, I am not the body at one level. But when you look deeper, the body is I. I am the body. The body is made of me. So apparent contradiction, paradox. So we need to expand. When you expand yourself to include who you really are, तो ये paradox नहीं रहता है, वो resolve हो जाता है कि सब कुछ मैं ही हूँ. But at one level, it's paradoxical or contradictory. One minute I'm saying I'm not the body, other minute I'm saying I am the body. Yes. From one perspective, from one point of view, I am not the body. And interestingly, from the very zero stage, zero step, maybe I am the body. I am only the body. See, zero step means I am only the body. मुझे चैतन्य के बारे में या आत्मा के बारे में या मेरी जागृति बारे में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं, मुझे जानना भी नहीं है. मैं बस ये शरीर हूं, मैं पीता हूं, खाता हूं, मौज करता हूं, लेकिन सफर भी करता हूं और ज्यादा सफर करता हूं, जरूरत से ज्यादा. But that is also a state of I am the body, but from a opposite end. I am the body, that's it. There is nothing else. So interestingly, we come full circle. You start with I am the body, I am only the body. Then you go and find that I am not the body. I am something much deeper. I am spirit. I am awareness. And then you come back, and you come back full circle to I am the body also. But now, in the beginning, I am only the body. In the end, I am also the body. So even though both are saying I am the body, the first one is saying I am only the body. You start with I am only the body, and you come back to I am the body, but I am also the body. I am also the objects. I am also the universe. I am also the stars. I am also the planets and also the animals and also the birds. And I am all of that. And I'm oneness. In the first one, I am the body. You are all by yourself. You are alone in this world, fighting against the whole world and suffering fully. And then you choose to drink alcohol or drugs or kill somebody or whatever, in order to satisfy. I think somebody said it. मेरे आत्मा को शांति पहुंचाने के लिए मैं पीता हूं. But yeah, Sonal said that. In a way, that is true. But it is not to the Atma, because that person in that state has no awareness of Atma. It is just trying to satisfy this complete separation from you, who you really are. And you go to any means to do that. But then slowly somebody over a beer tells you, "Arey yaar, you are not your body." And then
in short, life is a roller coaster ride, no? Astral World Tour.
Yeah, but okay. Yeah, life is, again, roller coaster. It is a roller coaster ride, can be a very deep suffering and a deep painful ride, or it can be a joyful ride. So by just saying life is a roller coaster, वहां बात खत्म नहीं हो जाती.
No, you said 360 degrees, na?
True. One time.
But do you, even if you come 360 degrees, do you see that you are actually completely different when you started to when you come back? Is it completely different, or is it exactly the same?
Yeah, it is different.
That is the point. That is the point. It is totally different. So it is completely different. Even though you're coming back full circle to the same place, you are no longer what you were. After this understanding and going through this full circle, your roller coaster ride has the potential to be really a joyful ride. Whereas if you had not gone through this circle, you are standing at the first point, then that same roller coaster ride that you're talking about is a big pain, is a big suffering. And you go from alcohol to drugs to whatever and wherever. And even if you don't go there, you can spend your life in misery. Going through the same roller coaster ride, kuch aaya, kuch gaya, kuch hua, kuch nahi hua. So the ride doesn't change, but the rider changes.
So, but the contradiction still continues, na?
So any problem? any problem with contradictions?
Yeah.
Did life come with a warranty card, Sonal ji, when you were born? Was there a warranty card attached to you?
No.
No. Did the warranty card say life will be logical? Did the warranty card say life will be fair? Did the warranty card say life will not have ups and downs?
Yeah, but that's
was there such a warranty card?
Acceptance.
Or even logical? No. Was there even a warranty card statement saying life will be logical? ऐसा कहा था क्या किसी ने?
कहा होता तो मैं उसका जाके गला पकड़ लेती ना.
नहीं कहा ना किसी ने. So there is no such thing. Yeah, we have a very, very strong tendency to want to just put something into a formula and have a little tip and a technique to live our life, but it is not that way. Life is not encapsulable into one simple, nice little bag that you can carry. Now I've got it, and this is it. It's not that way. It's not like that. And nobody said it would be like that. So it's an unending journey. It's an exploration. It's an unraveling of this mystery. And every step is different. Every step is new. We cannot, life is infinite. Awareness is infinite. Consciousness is infinite. And we, with our finite mind, want to collapse the infinite into the finite, into what we can, just have one shape and one hold, and that's it. Acha, this is the way. No such thing. Sorry. And not only sorry, but wonderful that it is that way. Can you imagine a life in which you have figured everything out? And you have all the answers. Boring. It will be so boring that we will want to not continue on this ride anymore. Life is cannot be put into a formula, cannot be put into one capsule and say, this is it. So the exploration continues. But the point is that once we have this understanding of going this circle, then we are in a position to and free to enjoy this ride, this roller coaster. Wonderful. Anything else anyone wants to say before we close? Great.
It was a wonderful journey from body to body.
Body to body, exactly. Thank you. Yeah, body to body.
Yeah.
I am the body to I am the body. But only difference is I am only the body to I am also the body. I'm also the body. But it is a circle. It is a circle. Actually, so many things are circles like this. So many things are circles.
So just to add,
one sec. Milind?
Yeah, Sanjay, probably not this, but a spiral circle. It keeps on going finally.
आवाज break हो रहा है, hard to understand.
It's just circle, but spiral.
Spiral. It's a spiral. Okay, not just a circle, but a spiral. Yes, spiral. Yes. Yeah, you can think of it like a spiral. Yeah, because every time you go through this circle, you are ascending in your understanding and in your depth of understanding, and you can also be descending. Yeah. So it's an ascending spiral or a descending spiral, and by whatever forces and by whatever grace, you can either be on that one or that one, and it is not up in our hands actually. Even though we may think it is in our hands, it is just all happening. Beautiful, beautiful. Sonal ji, what were you saying? Hello.
Yeah, are you saying I'm going through all this on daily basis?
Of course, all of us are. All of us are. Trust me. You are not alone.
Yes.
Yes. All of us in own ways, have our own ups and downs and challenges, and how we made them and how we face them is where the fun is. Something happened today where I could have, if in my normal reactive mode, I may have flared up and had a big argument, but I just laughed because I said, okay, that's what is true for you. That's what is true for you. And there's no need to fight it or resist it or argue it. So bringing these qualities of what we know we truly are, awareness, वो qualities को ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा लाएंगे. Rajesh, anything you want to share quickly now that you are in a position to?
I understood like this. If I am drinking, then that is also my creation, and body is also my creation. So
correct.
Yeah, if I am hurting one of my creations, then that is wrong.
Not wrong or right. I wouldn't put it in so black and white, right or wrong. It is simply the choice that I am making. And I can ask myself the question, is this choice consistent with who I really am, or what are my inherent qualities? Is this consistent with that? It's not so much right and wrong, because everything is right. This whole universe is my creation. Everything is right. It's a deeper question. It's not a question of right and wrong. It's a question of, is this consistent with who I am, who I really am? So, क्योंकि wrong right में जाएंगे तो you are in a, you are separating now again. The world is made up of good things which I create and bad things which I never created. Hello, no, everything is my creation. The whole dream, the nightmare, anything, the monster that comes in my dream is also my creation. I cannot sit back saying a monster is bad and that is not mine. In my dream, if monster comes, who is the responsible? Who is the creator of that monster? It is still me. It is still the dreamer. So it's not about disowning, but I step back and ask myself the question that this peace that I am, this love that I am, can I hug this monster and make this my friend? That is the bigger and more interesting challenge. Rather than saying the monster is wrong and bad and I should avoid the monster, the bigger and more beautiful challenge is this monster can be my friend. Because look, I am the one who created it to begin with. And once I've befriended the monster, guess what? The monster is no longer a monster. that is the possibility. That is the beauty.
Great.
That is the challenge.
Great.
Yeah.
राम से तो सभी प्रेम करते हैं, रावण से भी प्रेम करना चाहिए.
Exactly. रावण को भी समझो, रावण को भी अपनाओ और उसको अपना दोस्त बनाओ.
Both are in our body.
Both are in our body. Both are our creation.
Both the
characters are our own creation.
In our own body.
Right. It's very interesting. So many times it happens in our session, in our discussion, I've noticed that we go through this and we are about to close and we are going. And last में ऐसा कुछ आ जाता है, ऐसी बात आ जाती है which descends, and that understanding makes things so much clearer. So yeah, thank you for bringing that up. So to continue what you were saying, so it's not that it is wrong to drink. So the understanding is that I am the drink, I am the drinker, I am the body, I am all of it, I'm all of awareness. And what is the dream that I want to dream? Do I want to dream the dream in which I am out of my senses and, feeling numbed into some kind of a blissful state, imaginary state of calmness, but numbed into it without any awareness? Or do I want to experience that same satisfaction or calmness or joyousness or freedom or whatever all those feelings are which you feel when you're drunk, while I'm still aware of all of it fully and in control of my body and in control of my senses? Do I want this or do I want that? So it's a choice of that. And which one is more consistent with my true qualities, with my real inherent intrinsic qualities? And then I choose that. And but again, it's not about compulsion or deciding in advance. It's about seeing moment to moment. So it's not about compartmentalizing and formulating and chalo, yes, I will never drink in my life. It's not like that. It's not as simple as that. It's personally, at a New Year's party or everyone is sharing a little champagne or a little wine, I don't see that as being inconsistent with who I really am. It's a celebration. And it's so things like that. I mean, that is again subject to change. I may, at some point I may decide not to also. Yeah. Go ahead, Avinash.
Just to add to what you are telling, Sanjeevji. So like the study or like the research that I did, like so many people, they are drinking and they are at their 90s and they are good. Okay. So one thing that I realized, okay, these people are upfront, means they have accepted that they are drinking, they are okay, that their family knows, their friend knows. And it's not that they feel self-pity or something wrongdoing in their mind. So I think that is most important aspect. Doing something that awareness that yes, I am doing it, and if someone says I am not hesitating, so that has to be there, so that I think it would be easy to carry on.
Yeah, that clarity
Yeah.
has to be there. But
yes,
yeah, and so
because
even if it did not harm their body, I would question whether it harmed their experience of life.
yeah, that will
Okay.
be there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that because that state of that artificially created state of mind where you're feeling whatever, high or low or depressed or more happy or whatever, substance is as a result of the substance. It's an open question. I don't think we need to conclude. My only understanding.
Yeah, it's an open question,
it's an
and
open
it's an
question.
it's an attitude. Like people hide, they do, and that those people
That
actually
those people
suffer.
are the ones who
Yeah,
suffer the most.
exactly. Yeah, that is what my point is. Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yeah, it's all a state of mind, and as long as we understand that it is only I, the drinker, the drunk, the drink, all I, only I. As long as that is established and understood, then how life reveals or how life unfolds is completely an open landscape. Anything is okay.
Sir,
Great.
please don't get me wrong. Can I say something?
Sure.
So for the drinker, he's enjoying the drink. Okay, once he loses his control, then the family also tries to understand, now I have to accept the situation. So control, after losing control, there is no dream or no awareness or anything, na? So drinks, as long as it is at a limited level, it's okay. But once it goes out of control.
नहीं वैसा कुछ नहीं है. Even after the unlimited drinking, or if you're drunk, if you're asleep, deep sleep, unconscious, semi-conscious, what happens to awareness? Your awareness does not go anywhere. Awareness is not dependent on objects. Awareness is just awareness. The dreamer, think, it's always easy to think of the dream analogy. Inside the dream, if the person is drunk, is the dreamer still present or gone?
Yes, present.
No.
Yeah, the dreamer is still present.
Yeah.
In a dream, if you are drunk, the dreamer still continues to be there, to be present.
But this is
just because
not a dream.
Yeah, it is life is but a dream. Remember Gana gaya tha?
But remember must be present to dream.
The dreamer is not this character. The dreamer is not this character, this body. The dreamer is infinite awareness. The dreamer is divine himself, herself, dreaming. That is the dreamer. That dreamer doesn't go anywhere just because I get drunk or I get out of control or I lose my senses. It is, you understand? Just as the dreamer is still present if the dreamt character gets drunk, this infinite consciousness or awareness, which is the creator of all experience, which is the experiencer of all experience, does not disappear just because I lose consciousness. That way you would say that awareness disappears when I'm in deep sleep. And that is not true. Awareness has nothing to do with sleep or awake or drunk. Awareness is always aware. So deeper question. Chalo, good. Think about it.
That awareness means Jagruti.
Jagruti
must be there.
Must be there even if you're drunk. Exactly. Jagruti is experiencing drunkenness, and you may be inebriated, you may be totally out of it. Awareness is now aware of being drunk. The dreamer is dreaming of the drunk who is totally out of control or out of his senses or her senses. But the dreamer still is there lying in bed dreaming. So similarly here in our so-called reality, which is also just a dream, in a dream of consciousness, there is nothing else present in this so-called reality. There is nothing else actually present than consciousness when we really look, which is why we say it is just a dream. Just like inside a dream, if you really start analyzing inside the dream, what is really present is only the mind of the dreamer. So even though this reality is a very convincing dream, it's a very realistic dream, it's a 5D, whatever, super, you know, वो जो 3D, 4D, 5D कहते हैं ना, it's a full color. Yeah, it's a full technicolor, high technology than anything you can imagine. All senses are involved, but it's still just a projection. It's still just a dream. So dream about that one for till Thursday. Wonderful. Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Are you announcing Thursday?
Oh yeah. Thursday is Mahashivratri, and so we will celebrate on Thursday with celebrating Shiva consciousness in whatever way.
So we will drink all.
I know, उसमें तो सोमरस भी आता है. जय जय शिव शंकर, कांटा लगे ना कंकर, ये प्याला तेरे नाम का पिया.
Yeah, that is.
So yeah. So yeah, we have license for that on Thursday. But so we will, instead of stopping at 9, we may continue a little longer. We may go on till 9:30, so you can finish dinner and everything and then join at 8. Same place, same time, end time maybe a little longer.
શું થયું પ્રતિભાબેન?
She's wearing a mask.
No.
What is all this?
No.
Thought it was a mask. I didn't pay attention.
No, मैं मास्क नहीं है. कल मेरी नोज में से ब्लीडिंग हो रही थी.
अच्छा.
वो इधर हीट की वजह से थोड़ा ज्यादा हीट हुआ होगा. और मैं वो एस्प्रिन लेती हूँ तो ब्लड थिनर है. हाँ, तो they do some medicine and put the little pipe to oozing.
Okay.
That's why no mask.
Oh, I didn't take a close look. I saw something and I said, this must be a mask. I didn't pay much attention, but I'm glad.
No, today is not the mask.
Okay.
But
So
due to my blood thinner, it was continuously. So they put some medicine.
Okay. Wonderful. We hope you feel better very, very soon and very fast.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
humidify, and it's nothing to worry.
They are also putting, but it's a large amount now.
Okay. Feel
and I
better.
stopped my blood thinner for at least a week.
Yeah, you have to stop for a while. Yeah. Okay, so all our best wishes for a quick recovery for you. Get well soon.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Jai Gurudev.
Thank you.
Om Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Tat Sat.
Thank you.